Have you ever wondered what football superstars buy when money is no longer an issue? Luxury cars and expensive watches are obvious choices, but their real extravagance is hidden behind the doors of their homes. These aren't just houses, they're reflections of who they are. Let's start with Cristiano Ronaldo. Just like on the pitch, he thinks big in real life. According to various reports, he has secured luxury villas on a highly exclusive island along Saudi Arabia's Red Sea coast. Surrounded by white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and complete privacy, it's a place that feels like a world of its own, accessible only by boat or seaplane. Lionel Messi's idea of luxury is completely different. His Barcelona home is known not just for its value, but for its peaceful atmosphere. For years, there have been claims that he even purchased neighboring properties to enjoy greater privacy and silence, although those reports have never been officially confirmed. Inside, the estate features a state-of-the-art gym, a private football pitch, and the perfect space to spend time with his family. Then there's Neymar Jr. His home feels more like a five-star luxury resort than a private residence. With a stunning swimming pool, world-class entertainment spaces, and every comfort imaginable, it's built for enjoying life to the fullest. Erling Haaland, however, takes a completely different approach. His home isn't designed to impress with luxury. It's designed to maximize performance. A private gym, recovery facilities, and ice baths are all part of his daily routine. For Haaland, the greatest luxury isn't gold or marble. It's investing in his body and staying at the top of his game. And finally, there's Lamine Yamal. Despite his young age, he made a decision that surprised everyone. Instead of buying a dream home for himself, he reportedly used his first major earnings to provide homes for his mother, his father, and other close family members, before thinking about his own. For him, family came before luxury. In the end, one thing becomes clear. These multi-million-dollar mansions are more than just bricks and concrete. For some, they represent peace and privacy. For others, they're the fulfillment of a lifelong dream. And for a few, they're simply a way of giving back to the people who mattered most. If you had unlimited wealth, what would you buy? A luxurious mansion or a little more peace? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Blue Orbit for more incredible stories from around the world.